Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the charger and verify the outlet is dead so you work safely. Once done, remove the outer plastic sheath to expose the metal part. Make careful cuts not to nick wires. Use a small screwdriver to open tabs and note where the metal prong is loose or bent. You do this to see whether the problem is mechanical, corroded, or a broken electrical connection, so you can choose crimp, solder, or realign next. You now fix the core issue. Straighten the prong gently with pliers until it aligns with the plug body, because overbending causes breaks. Next, strip about 3-5 mm of insulation, twist and clean the strands. If soldering, tin the wire to ensure a solid joint. Then either crimp with the correct gauge connector or solder the wire to the metal part. Make sure the connection is mechanically tight as well as conductive. Once secure, slip on heat shrink to support the joint and prevent shorting. You finish by sliding heat shrink over the repaired area and applying even heat until it contracts. This reinforces the joint and isolates bare metal. Then reassemble the plastic sheath and tighten screws so the strain relief grips the cable. This prevents future flex stress. After that, plug into a tested, low-risk device to confirm power flows, and there's no wobble, smell, or heat. If you see sparks, smell burning, or the connector gets hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.